For different on-site scenarios, different products are adopted. The Flow product can be quickly connected and used in scenarios where wiring is difficult. Cable, just connected and it's ready for use. Connect and the screen will light up for display. The series can be used simply by connecting network cables. It not only solves the on-site wiring problem, but also enables cloud monitoring. And it can conduct on-site monitoring through real-time data. It can monitor real-time flow, water distribution, and leak detection. Data can be viewed anytime and anywhere via mobile devices. The measured data and accuracy are also clear at a glance. At the same time, viewing data on the PC is also clear and convenient. Supports online updates and upgrades.